Guys, check out this ice. I mean, we rarely get ice, so it's pretty cool. I already have frostbite in my hand, but check this out. Halfway developed ice. Take a look. It really hurts to put my hand in there. It's so cool, though. Nice and chilly. It's basically just like giant snowflakes. Really cool. I'm gonna get frostbite now. Yeah. Weird sounds in the sky. Let's see if we can hear him. Is that the ice? Holy schmoly, it is. The ice is moving. That's the ice. Excuse me for my loud. That's really crazy. It's moving. What? So weird. Thank you all for watching. This is crazy. Yeah, the ice is moving. It's moving. I think it's the tides. Probably not, but possibility. It's really cool. The sound of rocks being thrown on ice, along with the weird that sound. I don't know if you guys can even hear it. Listen to the sound of rocks being thrown on ice. Throwing a pretty big rock on it. We're trying to throw it all the way out there. Here we go. Whoa. Move it again. The ice is like, there's a separate plate. I mean, if I zoom down, look, there's like a huge crack. Look at here. Huge crack all the way down. Giant plate of ice. And that's the sound it makes. At first I thought it was like a jet, or like a plane, but no. It's the ice. What a crazy sound. Ice is moving. Get the ice moving too. Ice is pretty thick out there because that's the main plate, right? The main plate, right? All the way out past the crack. So it's about like a couple inches thick. Somewhere around that. I found a plate that was at least an inch. Nice and heavy. Pretty crazy stuff. Got another good sized rock. I'm gonna throw it on out there. Listen, I said, oh, there's also a branch stuck in the thing. This isn't. No. I doubt that the actual, like the rocks hitting it are making. Sounds like a wind also. Look. It's from the main plate. Converged, hit. So. I'll flip. That's pretty thick. And then you have this ice. It's new. Brand spanking new. It's been basically below water freezing temperatures for a pretty good sustained time. I reckon it's like that all day around here because I suppose yeah, I'm gonna end this video. So pretty cool. I like it.